Okay, let's just go ahead and make a shoulder, elbow, and a wrist joint, kind of like we did with the leg. Um, the clavicle setup, I'm still learning the setup here in Max, so it's a little bit different than what I would do in Maya, but it's similar. But before we get to it, let's just go ahead and I'm going to go to my top view and draw in a shoulder, excuse me, a shoulder and elbow and an arm. I'm going to select Create Bones and just move this over or close it, and I'm going to just kind of draw a shoulder bone. And let's just go to like right there, and I think that's going to be what I want. Now, of course, I don't want it on the ground, so let's just, I think I should be able to grab it, go to my front view, and move it up. And the problem with this right now is like it's a little bit shy. Okay, let's try that again. Let's delete those. Let's go to the top view. I want to try to draw those in again. So animation, bone, tools, and I'm just going to move this off to the side, create bones, and let's see if I can't get, I want to go to there, so I'm going to go about there, and yeah, so what you're doing is you're creating that little dip there in the bone for the IK, so let's just select this one, go to the front view, and let's move it up. It's still a little shallower, more shallow than I want it to be, that position, that rotation position. I think I'm going to delete those again. Top view. Create bones. You have to just be careful. If you get too close to these bones when you're doing this, then it's gonna automatically draw off of them. So I'm just going to see if I can get on there. Let's try it again. Front view. Select the bone, and let's move it on up. This is a little bit closer to what I want, I think. And I'm just going to go ahead and accept that. And I'm going to, let's make a, let's go to animation, IK solvers, and bang. So I'm going to call this L, wrist IK, something like that. You call it L hand or L arm IK. So now we have kind of a little bit of a system like this. And let's just go ahead and go to the top view again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a little hand bone here. So I'm going to go to Create Bones and just go, I'm actually going to draw it over here, and you'll see why in just a minute. Let's go to the front. Where's that guy? Let's move it up. Press the Z on my keyboard, and I'm actually just going to, I think I'm going to align this just to that IK. Pivot, okay. And I don't need, actually I don't even need this bone right here. We can delete that. I call this hand bone. Whoops, L hand bone would be the way to go. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to parent this control, or link it rather, to that bone. I don't think it took. Let's do it again. Bang. Okay, now I've got a, I should have that bone should be controlling that, something like that. And that, yeah, so that should be kind of the beginning of the setup there. Let's go to, I'm going to select the IK, and you should see there's the swivel angle, which we did like with the knee. Okay, so let's just, we're going to keep that in there for now, and then we'll come back and, yeah, that's the kind of the basic arm setup.